In this lab, we're going to show you how to create invoices. You'll have customers, sites, meters and price plans completed, so you're ready to generate your first invoice from Utilmate.
There are two types of invoicing in Utilmate. Instant invoicing, where you invoice one customer,
And bulk invoicing, where you are invoicing a large number of customers.
This is the process for instant invoicing. Step 1 in this process is entering meter reads. Search for the customer you want to invoice and go to the Services, Meter Reads screen. From here, click on the Add button and enter your meter reading. Next, go to the Accounts tab and select Regenerate Transactions. Enter the date you want to bill to, then click Save.
This will now generate transactions. You can check these by clicking on the Transaction Report button if you'd like to see them.
If you're happy with these, go to the Transaction List screen. Click on the Invoice Actions button and select Instant Invoice. From here, you'll need to select the invoice date and due date. Click on Preview Invoice to see an image of what your invoice will look like. If you're happy with this, click on Generate. The invoice will be turned into a PDF and the customer balance updated. The last step is to approve the invoice to be emailed to the customer. No email or SMS message leave Utilmate without your approval. To do this, go to your dashboard and click on New and Undelivered Email Messages. You'll see your invoice sitting in this screen ready to send. Click on the Send button, and it will be on its way to your customer. Congratulations! You've successfully generated and sent your first invoice from Utilmate.
If you've got stuck along the way, drop us an email or chat message. We're happy to help.